till you find your way back home.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today I wanted to show you guys how you can track your calories on the Myfitnesspal app, which is what I use to track my own calories. I don't do this every day. I usually do it when I'm cutting or bulking and so on and so forth. But if I'm just doing maintenance, then I don't really use it. So I will put on the screen recording right now. So let's get started. So first off, you have here, as you can see, I'm using it right now. I have 1,422 calories that I've consumed and 700 remaining. But what I do is I kind of plan out. So I know that I want to eat cheddar, jalapeno, Cheetos later, so I place that in there. I know that I want to drink milk later, so I place that there. Peanut butter sandwich. And I don't know my food for lunch and dinner. I just know that there will be white rice, so I place that there as well. So as you can see, I have like 700 remaining for my food for lunch and dinner, and then I placed what I ate for breakfast. So you go here to more. You can check in goals, and then you can place here your starting weight. I started at 44, and then I went on a cut. So I went, actually you can go to progress. So you can see I went down to 43.7, and then now today I'm back up to 45. So here in the progress, you can see your start, your current, and your change. So it will give you your percent and kilograms and everything, and then it will give, you can see my progress picture right there. And then you can, so go back to goals, you can input your new goal weight, but I'll say no because I don't want to change my weekly goal. But you can change that to 47, 48, or whatever your goal weight is. And then your current weight, you can also change it. Your weekly goal, you can also change it. Let's just go here. You can change it to lose 0.2, 0.5, 0.8, maintain, or gain 0.5. So activity level, this helps in the apps like analysis of you, I guess. So you have here not very active, lightly active, very active. But anyway, here we have nutrition goals. So here, after you've computed how much calories you're going to do, so I am at 2,122 because I'm on a lean muscle gain type of bulk. But normally my maintenance would be 1,900 or 2,000 because I exercise fairly enough. And then these are my macros: 55% carbo, 25% protein, 20% fat. And then, so you can change those as well. As you can see, you can type. And then here you can change. It will always need to be 100%. So it's gonna help you. You can't do grams because it will ask for premium, but that's okay. You can just estimate the percentage. Next, you have nutrition. So as you can see, today I am 57% on my carbohydrates so far, 31% fat, 12% protein. So as you can see, I need more protein. So you can take that into consideration, that you need to have more protein or you need to have more carbo and all that. And then you have your goals here. You have it in pie chart. You can have nutrients, how many you have left, how much you have excess, and all that. And then you can have your calories for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So you can see that 37% of my calories is in snacks, so I also need to change that. But that will change since I haven't placed my food for lunch and dinner. So yeah, that is all pretty much. So you just input. You can do what I do, where you input the food first, so it's like a meal plan, or you can do it as you go. But I find that when I do it as I go, I get stuck with like 200, 300, 400 for dinner, and then I'm unhappy. So yeah, it's up to you. So let's stop the screen recording. And yeah, guys, so that is how you track your calories, your macros on Myfitnesspal. Just change it, explore the app. I just basically gave an exploration of the app, but hope that helped. And yeah, thanks guys for watching.